You've built your survey. The questions are solid, the logic is clear, but something still feels ordinary. It's missing that spark. Now imagine adding visuals, an image, a quick video, something that makes people stop scrolling and actually want to answer. Because the truth is, surveys that look good perform better.
Hi, I'm Max. At ProProfs Performance Academy, we study what drives better customer and employee experiences, from surveys to assessments and beyond. We have collaborated with multiple teams to enhance how people respond, engage, and provide feedback.
In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add images and videos to your survey questions so they stand out. And stay with me till the end because I'll have something really interesting to share. Let's start with why media matters in the first place. Using images as answer choices isn't just about making things pretty, it's about making things clearer and more engaging. Images help people instantly understand what I'm asking. They grab attention, keep people interested, and make responses more fun and intuitive. For example, if I'm asking for product feedback, showing product photos helps people pick their favorites instantly. It's a simple visual twist that boosts completion rates big time. If you're getting ideas already, subscribe now because I share creative tricks like this every week and you don't want to miss the next one that'll take your surveys from nice to wow. First, I open the survey I want to enhance. If I'm starting fresh, I can create a new one in seconds using AI. I just describe what I want, how many questions I need, and the survey is generated instantly. Now that my survey is ready, it's time to make it pop with visuals. Next, I go to the media options for my questions. This is where all the fun begins. Everything I need to create image-based questions is right here, like an entire image library for me to explore, survey themes and backgrounds, and even video templates. Inside, I can choose how to bring my visuals in. I might pick an image from my library, search online, or upload my own file, an image, a GIF, even a short video. Once it's in, I adjust the size or placement until it looks just right.
Here's a quick pro tip. Use visuals that are around 600 by 300 pixels and have a maximum size of 2 MBs.
By the way, if you're finding this helpful, share this video with someone who's working on their next survey. They'll thank you later. Once my visuals are set, I like to take things one step further, using AI to suggest new questions that match the same theme. It's creativity made effortless, and it saves a ton of time when I'm building larger surveys. Oh, and before we wrap up, don't forget to subscribe so you never missed my next tutorial on making your surveys more engaging and smarter to build. Everything I just showed you was created using ProProfs Survey Maker, the most delightful way to create beautiful, media-rich surveys in minutes. And here's the best part. You get several bonuses, such as an AI survey builder that generates questions for you in seconds, beautiful templates ready to customize for any purpose, a detailed demo for you to get a complete hands-on experience of the tool.
To get all this, simply sign up using the link below.
Now, tell me in the comments, what's the one image you'd use to make your survey completely irresistible? I'll be checking out the most creative answers and featuring a few in the next video. If you enjoyed this, like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.